Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another brand new video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I've been doing a whole lot of other stuff, but I really want to continue my free Forex course on my YouTube channel for you all to try and help you as much as I possibly can. So we've talked about market structure, trend lines, we've talked about support and resistance, and now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Fibonacci, the right setting for your Fibonacci, and how you should be using your Fibonacci the correct way to find market structure and to find setups to take from and to. So first things first, Fibonacci settings. I will put my Fibonacci here, and feel free to pause, copy these settings, take a screenshot. Yeah, these are the only settings that I use personally, and I feel like you don't really need anything more than that, honestly. So this is what I have. Feel free to pause, take a screenshot, edit your Fibonacci, and let me just explain it quickly. Basically, the negative 27% down here and down here is my take profit levels, and then obviously the 100 would be point A, the 0 would be point B, and then the retracement would be between the 38.2 and the 88.6. Anyway, in between the zone, wherever price finds structure and price settles at, then we can look into take a trade from to. So if I do like a little example, oops, that was my bad. So it will look something like this: A, B, C, and then D. A perfect example would look like this, and you would look into take a trade from this point C to point D. But of course, on market structure, nothing is perfect, and so we have to adapt. Basically, nothing is perfect when it comes to, but we can try and, obviously, the first things first, you need to go at a higher time frame and find a major high and a major low. For example, this is a major high. We all agree that this is a major high because it's literally a major high, right? So that's where you put your point A Fibonacci, and then you follow price candle by candle until you find where price made some sort of a support, and then you look at the retracement. Did the retracement, and the reason why I have the 23.6 in red is because I do not consider this a market structure point. Like this here right now is not a market structure point. It's not a lower high. Therefore, I will not be taking trades from this point. I will only take trades from 38.2 upwards, right? You can see they all in green except this in red, and then black, and then obviously TP. So this, if I see that happens, I ignore this and move on, and I carry with the Fibonacci. Right here, same thing. It never settled on the 38.2. It literally just touched it, right? So then I keep on moving down with price. Price comes down to this low, and look, it finally did it. It did a 50% retracement. You can see how it respected it perfectly, and then price traveled all the way down to almost hitting TP right there, right? So what you would be looking to do is to basically take a short when price rejects this level after the bearish engulfing, stops just above the high, and then you can target TP1, and TP2 obviously is yet to be hit, but this would be an insane trade. I mean, if you held all the way down to here, jeez, man, okay. But this is what I like. This is the example basically. Yeah, so this is the Fibonacci and how you can use it. Let's find a bullish example right here. I want to find a clean one, but I can see multiple ones here. Let's see this here, right? Watch. From point A, major low, point B, follow with price. Boom. All right, you see that? Price came back to 38.2, made a market structure point, and then traveled to TP, right? And then once that happened and you take your trade from here to here, then what you can do is move your fib to the new point A, and then wait for another retracement, such as this one here, right? And then look what happened. Price came back 61.8 perfectly and traveled to TP again. and so on and so forth. So this is how you find really high profitable setups. And obviously, if you combine this with the trend line video that I made, you can go back and watch that. If you combine that with the support and resistance, if you combine that with supply and demand, I don't know if I made a supply and demand video. If I haven't, I will check. If I haven't, I will do one next. But this is how you find setups. And of course, you can apply the same thing on smaller time frame to find even like intraday sort of trades, right? Intraday sort of trade. Let's say here, right, you're trying to look for a short, obviously price break structure. So you take your fib, point A, you know, point B, right there, this low right here, price travel back to 38.2, you can take a trade to -26. Boom, done. Right, once that happens, then you can move your fib to the new point A and do the same exact thing. Price traveled back to 88.6. It touched the 100, but you can see how the next following candle closed all the way down here. So therefore that is valid. You can take a trade, boom, all the way down, and so on and so forth. And you could repeat this process to find intraday setups all day, every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it helped you out. If you still have any questions, please leave a comment, leave a like on the video as well. It helps me out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.